Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Kami di sini akan mempraktekkan skenario pembelajaran untuk mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris untuk pendidikan fisika. Sebelum itu kami akan memperkenalkan diri terlebih dahulu. Kenalkan, nama saya Fikri Fawas dengan NIM 230333098 dan rekan-rekan saya.
Saya Fnia Melia Putri dengan NIM 230333017.
Saya Nurhaliza Putri dengan NIM 230333024.
Saya Indah Herotunisa dengan NIM 230333018.
Dengan saya Rizka Andra Septia Bakri dengan NIM 230333080.
Oke, langsung saja kami akan mempraktekkan skenario pembelajarannya. Untuk yang pertama, bagian introduction atau pendahuluan akan dimulai oleh saya sebagai guru. Oke, akan saya lanjutkan. Good morning, students.
Good
Morning,
morning, sir.
sir.
Before we start, let's pray together so that today learning runs smoothly. Amin. Please make sure your desks are neat and clean. We must keep our environment conducive for learning. Today, we will learn about uniformly accelerated linear motion or GLBB. This topic is very important in physics because it explains how objects move when their speed changes consistently. Our learning our learning objective today are: number one, to explain the concept and formula of GLBB. Number two, to conduct in experiments to observe acceleration. Number three, to present result in a graph form and make conclusion. Um, Before we start, let's recall when a car speeds up from rest, it is velocity constant of change.
To change, sir, the car gets faster.
Excellent. Uh, Excellent. That's exactly what acceleration means, a change in velocity over time.
To begin, please watch this short video showing a bar rolling down an infinite plane. What did what did you observe from the motion of the ball?
The ball move faster.
Great. So the ball does not move at constant speed, but accelerated due to gravity. From what we saw, we can ask how can we calculate acceleration? What is the relationship between velocity and time?
Now, I will divide you into group of 4 sampai 5 students. As group will do a simple experiment. Prepare your talks, IRL, stopwatch, and incline board. Roll the ball and measure the time for distances of 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Record your data careful. After collecting your data, calculate the acceleration using the formula. Remember, if you don't know the velocity, you can find in B dividing distance by time. V sama dengan S per T. Then, makes a graph using the relationship between velocity and time.
The
Line
line
is straight
is
and
straight
slanted
and
upward.
slanted upward.
Excellent. That means the acceleration in contact. This is what we call uniformly accelerate motion.
First question, let's discuss in the collision in constant what will happen to the distances covered very soon. Students.
It increases
Students.
every second.
Okay. Exactly. In GLBB, velocity increases linearly with time and distances increases quadratically with time. S sama dengan F 0 T ditambah 1 atau 2 and T quadrat 2. For example, when her car I correct this from phrase its velocity grabs is great line will these distances grab is curve. Okay. Generation. So what can we conclude about GLBB? Next student.
GLBB is motion
GLBB
with
is
constant
motion with
acceleration,
contact.
where velocity changes
Okay.
uniformly over time.
Okay. Is excellent. That they concave the duration of question determines what here the object speed of oops or slow down.
To summarize, we learned that in GLBB, acceleration in constants, velocity changes linearly, and distance increases quadratically. Let's do a quick review exercise. Number 1, what is the formula for acceleration? Number 2, what does a triangle line in a velocity time graph mean? Next. Excellent answer, everyone. Now reflect what part of today's experiment helped you understand acceleration better. For homework, please write a short paragraph explaining GLBB in vertical motion. Finally, let's close our class with a prayer. Thank you for thank you for your attention and participation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom.
Congrats.
Oke, dengan berakhirnya pembacaan dari Hefni Amelia Putri, maka berakhir pula presentasi atau praktek kami dalam untuk tugas bahasa Inggris untuk pendidikan fisika. Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan kata dalam pembacaan maupun pemahaman kami. Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.